IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with the brain. Did you know that the brain is made up of 60% fat? Most of the brain is developed by the age of 6. And this is when the brain is growing and needs good quality fats as raw materials for growth. Later on as well, the brain needs fat to maintain itself. It also needs fat to fuel itself for optimum performance. And I remember reading an article ages ago about how a key moment in the evolution of man came when our ancestors started eating seafood, shellfish, and in that, the omega-3 fatty acids and the DHEAs from the sea creatures helped supercharge the human brain as it was being developed in the mother. By learning how to catch and eat these sea creatures, our brains were able to get the right kind of fat to grow and develop much faster than any other animal around at the time. In the evolutionary war, growing a bigger brain was like developing a nuclear weapon. It gave us that edge our delicate bodies needed at the time. Nowadays, when I hear people talking about fat loss, I can't help but think back to those ancestors. Imagine if they too had been obsessed with their weight and had stopped eating shellfish because they wanted to lose fat. No way would we have evolved into humans that we are today. No way would we have left the planet. Forget about ambitions of colonizing Mars. The problem is that we've demonized fat in the world today. We've made fat the enemy, and as a result, we are causing damage to us and our future generations. It is almost like we are on a nuclear disarmament movement. We're getting rid of all our greatest weapons and greatest blessings. There are so many studies being published on the importance of saturated fats, omega-3s, cholesterols, all on the health of the brain. All these things are needed. Some studies have shown shrinking of the brain when it comes to people who are on low-fat or no-fat diets. And the reason for making this podcast was a question I received the other day. This lady was pregnant and was scared of putting on weight, and she was not eating any good quality fats. I tried talking to her and telling her about the importance of these fats. However, our culture has driven this fear of fat, and it's so deep into our brains now. We just do not want to listen or believe that there is any other way. This obsession with fat loss is what keeps us fat. It occupies so much of our minds. It stresses us out and keeps us fat. Years ago, when I was going through my own fat loss journey and was in the process of losing 19 kilos, I spent years on low or no fat diets. Low fat milk, low fat yogurt, one spray of oil on my non-stick pan, low fat snacks, diet chivda. If something has the word low fat or diet in it, I probably bought it. Slowly, my skin started looking dull and grey. My hair started falling off. And the scary thing is that these are just the visible signs. I have no idea what was happening in my brain. All I know is that I used to feel tired all the time. The point of this podcast is to show you that the dangers of becoming obsessed with one way of thinking are great. And the dangers of being obsessed with fat loss are even greater. In the hope of losing fat, we are doing so much damage to ourselves. We need to learn how to go past this. More importantly, we need to learn how to approach fat loss in a healthy manner. I will do more podcasts on fat loss in the coming weeks, as this is still a burning question I get asked all the time. But for the time being, remember that the fat in your diet is not the same as the fat on your waist or on your arms or on your legs. Eating fat will not make you fat. So your simple habit starts by making peace with fat. Introduce it to your meals in the form of ghee, butter, olive oil, fatty fish, coconut oil. These are all excellent sources of fat that your brain needs to thrive on. So let's all start operating as a nuclear power. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashton Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Pesa Vesta, Anupam talks to Siddharth Mehta, CEO and MD of FreeCharge. They discuss buy now, pay later, neobanks, and a whole lot more. On our new show, The Longest Constitution, hosted by Priya Mirza, we look at what it actually has to say about things we come across in our daily lives. In our first episode, we touch upon adultery laws and why they treat men and women differently. Say No to Drama with Chetna kicks off with an episode on dating apps. Along with Saisha and Kunal, we celebrated Cyrus's birthday with a bunch of listener questions, birthday traditions, and a whole lot more. On the note, journalist Kaveri Banzai discusses her new book, The Three Khans, and how they see their Muslim identity. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any other show for that matter, please do tell a friend. That's really helpful for us. And finally, we'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Siet Cred, Bank of Baroda, Intuit India, and CoinSwitch Kuber. We really do appreciate the support.
Season 3 of Echoes of India, your favorite history podcast, is back on the IVM Podcast Network. I'm your host, Anirudh Kanasetti. Join me on a journey through the wonders of early India as we explore the centuries between Buddha and Ashoka with critical research, empathy, and great storytelling. Along the way, you'll hear from all the vibrant peoples who shaped our world, from monks and farmers to warriors and emperors. New episodes are out every Monday.